Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll explore whether drinking orange juice before a run is a good idea or not. Let's dive right in. Orange juice, a classic morning drink packed with vitamins and flavor. But is it suitable for pre-run fuel? On one hand, orange juice provides hydration and natural sugars, which can offer a quick energy boost for your run. However, there are some potential downsides to consider. The high acidity of orange juice might cause discomfort for some runners, leading to heartburn or an upset stomach during your workout. Plus, orange juice has reduced fiber compared to eating a whole orange, which can lead to a quicker sugar spike and energy crash. Some runners may even experience gastrointestinal distress, like bloating or cramps after drinking orange juice. If you're looking for alternatives, consider snacks that provide a balance of carbs, protein, and healthy fats. Snacks like a banana with peanut butter, a granola bar, or yogurt with berries are excellent options. If you love orange juice and want to enjoy it before a run, try diluting it with water to reduce its acidity. Remember, everyone's body is different. Listen to how your body responds to orange juice before running. So, is orange juice before a run a good idea? It depends on your body and how it reacts to it. Experiment with different pre-run snacks and find what works best for you. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow runners. Don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized tips and content.